Meaning of impersonally.
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 Impersonally. Impersonally refers to doing something in an objective and impartial manner, without being influenced by personal feelings or emotions. When performing a task impersonally, one eliminates any bias or favoritism and focuses solely on the task at hand. This can lead to more fair and just outcomes, especially in situations where personal connections might otherwise sway decisions. By adopting an impersonal approach, individuals can remain objective and professional, allowing them to make decisions solely based on the merits of the situation. This can result in more equitable outcomes and establish an atmosphere of fairness and objectivity.